Are you one of those जिनके पास काम तो बहुत होता है बट उन्हें करने के लिए वक्त नहीं? Wait a second. शायद वक्त भी है but you don't know how to manage that time. If you also want to manage your time like a pro, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll share 4 tips and techniques on time management, and third one is my personal favorite. So watch it till the end. Okay, so let me ask you something. How much time do we actually have in our day? 24 hours? Nah. इनमें से 8 hours आपके work hours होंगे, 8 hours आपके sleep hours होंगे. And still there are some things that we have to do like our meal time, traveling time, etc. So let's say we have 5 to 6 hours in our day. And इन्हीं 5 से 6 घंटों में आपको आपके सारे काम करने होते हैं. So we really need to learn how to manage our time. Now you know how much time you have in a day. So make a list of important things. Well, this doesn't mean that you have to write everything you want to do. Try to identify what are your main goals of the day. I personally call them my daily highlights. For example, अगर मुझे कोई बड़ा टास्क करना हो, like मुझे कोई वीडियो शूट करनी हो या मुझे कोई स्क्रिप्ट लिखनी हो, तो that will be my daily highlight. Of course, और भी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, but still we have to focus on our main goals. So it's important to identify those tasks that really needs to be done today. Number 2, 5-minute rule. Now, there are also some small tasks that we have to do throughout the day, such as replying to your emails, tidying up your desk, or making a quick phone call. Estimate how long each task will take. If it's less than 5 minutes, then just do it right away. हम usually इन छोटे छोटे टास्क को इग्नोर करते हैं क्योंकि इन चीज़ों के लिए तो हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है, राइट? बट यही छोटे टास्क बाद में हमारे लिए ओवरवेलमिंग बन जाते हैं क्योंकि हमने इन्हें सही टाइम पे नहीं किया होता. Number 3, Parkinson's Law. Parkinson's Law is a concept that suggests that work expands to fill the time available for its completion. In simpler terms, if you have a task to do, and you give yourself a long time to do it, you'll likely take that entire time to complete it, even if the task could have been done faster. For example, if you have a report due in a week, you might find yourself procrastinating and not really starting until the few days before the deadline. However, if you were given only a day to complete that same report, you would probably work more efficiently and get it done in that shorter time frame. अगर आप खुद को ऐसे शॉर्टर डेडलाइंस देते हो तो यू फोर्स योरसेल्फ टू फोकस एंड वर्क मोर एफिशिएंटली क्योंकि आपके पास टाइम वेस्ट करने को तो टाइम ही नहीं होगा. दिस कैन ऑल्सो हेल्प्स यू टू अवॉइड प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन एंड डिस्ट्रैक्शन एंड इट लीड्स टू हायर प्रोडक्टिविटी एंड बेटर रिजल्ट्स. Number 4, Pomodoro technique. This is a well-known technique for time management. Choose a task you want to do and set a timer for 25 minutes. This time period is called a Pomodoro. Try to avoid any distractions during this time and focus entirely on your work for 25 minutes. After each 25 minutes, take a short break of around 5 minutes and do something unrelated to work, like rest or stretching or just go out and get some fresh air. But please don't scroll through your social media क्योंकि वो आपकी सारी प्रोडक्टिविटी को ड्रेन आउट कर देगी. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of around 15 to 30 minutes. The Pomodoro technique helps you to work better by breaking your task into smaller parts. After each part, you take a short break. This helps you to stay focused and avoid getting tired. So first of all, give yourself a big round of applause for staying till the end of such a video. This truly shows you are a brave person who wants to be the best version of yourself. मैंने आपको जितनी भी tips and techniques बताई हैं, आप उन सबको use कर सकते हो. And stick with the most suitable one for you. Also, there are some kind of situations or days when we can barely work. So don't worry for that. Make yourself work in such a way that feels comfortable to you. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. You can also connect with me on Instagram. Link is in the description. Do share this video with your friends who are struggling with time management. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such amazing videos. We'll meet in the next video.